Hello, Salamat. In this video, we will see pronouns. ኣብዚ ቪድዮ እዚ ንሪኦ ብዛዕባ ክንዲ ስም እዩ። ቀዳማይ ንሪኦ the first thing that we're gonna see here is I. ane. Second one is we. نحنا. Third one, you. You is ንስኻ ንስኺ ንስኹም ንስኽን. The fourth one is he. He is ንሱ she ንሳ they ንሳተን or ንሳቶም. Good. So here, first of all, I wanna make sure that you understand what pronouns is. መጀመሪያ ክንዲ ስም እንታይ ማለት እዩ ክንርኢ ኣለና ማለት እዩ። ክንዲ ስም ኣብ ክንዲ ስም እንጥቀመሎም ቃላት እዮም። So pronouns are words that we use in the place of a noun. For example, if you have a person whose name is John, instead of John, you can use he. John is not with you. He is a third person, singular, and he's a male. ታይና ንብል ዘለና ክንዲ ስም ኣብ ክንዲ ስም እንጥቀመሎም ቃላት እዮም። ንኣብነት ሓደ ሰብ ዮሃንስ ዝበሃል እንተዳሎ ኮይኑ ኣብ ክንዲ ዮሃንስ ንሱ ክትብል ትኽእል ኢኻ። ንሱ ኣብ ክንዲ ዮሃንስ ክንጥቀም ከለና ዮሃንስ ሳልሳይ ኣካል ተሰማይ ንፅል ተባዕታይ ይኾን ኣሎ ማለት እዩ። ምሳና የለን ጆን ወይ ከዓ ዮሃንስ ንበይኑ ሓደ እዩ ሲንጉላር ተባዕታይ ይኻ ማለት እዩ ሜል። ስለዚ ክንዲ ስም ኣብ ክንዲ ስም ንጥቀመሎም ቃላት እዮም ማለት እዩ። So I will go in detail of how we use these words, these pronouns, and I will show you the different versions of pronouns in the next slide. But before that, you see this picture here? He's saying I. ስእሊ ትሪእዎ ኣለኹም ኣነ እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ። I means first person. So we have three parts of it. First person, second person, and third person. First person singular is I. ስለዚ ብዚ ክንዲ ስም ክንዛረብ ከለና ሰለስተ ክፋላት ኣለውና። ቀዳማይ ኣካል ነጋሪ፣ ካልኣይ ኣካል ሰማዒ፣ ሳልሳይ ኣካል ከዓ ተሰማይ። ጅብዚ ኣነ እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ንነፍሲ እዩ ዘመልክት ዘሎ ኣነ ኣነ። እዚኦም ሰባት እዚኦም ከዓ ንሕና እዮም ዝብሉ ዘለዉ ብሓባር ንሕና ቀዳማይ ኣካል ግን ከዓ ድርብ. So this picture shows us that there are many people who are pointing to themselves, and what they are saying is that we. So first person, but more than one. plural. You, the English word you has a different, it points to different number of people, and whether it's a male or female or masculine or feminine. For example, you in English may mean ንስኻ. See, this girl is telling him ንስኻ, you, for a person, second person, singular, male, ንስኻ. And he is pointing at her saying ንስኺ. So she is second person, and she is single person, singular, and she is female, ንስኺ. Here, you, he can say you, but if you look at this picture, these people could be, they are for sure more than two, but it could be male, female combined together, or it could be only girls or females or women, which means feminine, but they are more than two, or all of them, they could be males or men or masculine, right? So in English, you can say you for a single person, male. You can say you for a single person, female. You can say you for many people who are all of them male if you want, or you can say you if all of them are females, or you can say you if they are male and female sitting together. So you, the word you in English has different words, corresponding words, depending on the number of people you're referring to and whether they are male or female. So you, ንስኻ, for a single male. You, ንስኺ, for a single female. You, ንስኹም, for, it could be male and female combined together, or all of them males, ንስኹም, ንስኽን, all of them females. Okay, next, third person. እዚ ሳልሳይ ኣካል ማለት እዩ። ሳልሳይ ኣካል ሕጂ ብዚኣ ዝያዳ ክዛረብ ፀኒሐ ብዛዕባ ዩ ዩ ትብል ቃል ኣብ እንግሊሽ ሓንቲ ቃል እያ፣ ግን ኣብ ትግርኛ ተባዕታይ ንፅል እንተኮይኑ ንስኻ ትብሎ፣ ኣንስታይ ንፅል እንተኮይና ንስኺ ትብላ፣ ተባዕታይ ወይ ኣንስታይ ሕውስዋስ ኮይኖም ንስኹም ክትብል ትኽእል፣ ወይ ኩሎም ተባዕትዮ ኮይኖም እውን ንስኹም ክትብል ትኽእል ኢኻ። ንስኽን ከዓ ብዙሓት ኣንስታይ እንተዳ ኮይነን ንስኽን ትብል። ሕጂ ብዚ እንታይ ዘርእየና ሓንቲ ቃል ኣብ እንግሊሽ ግን ብትግርኛ ዝተፈላለየ ቃል ኣለዎ ማለት እዩ። The third one is third person. So here we have he. So as you can see here, this person is a male. So this guy and this lady are talking about someone, John for example. He is not with them, but they are referring to John who is not with them, right? He is not with them. So third person. And he is a singular, he is a single person and a male. So we say he, right? In Tigrigna we call it ንሱ. We use the word ንሱ. Instead of John, you can say ንሱ. He is not with them. They are talking about him. He is a little bit far from them, or he could be in other country, or he could be in other city, or he could be in other room. They are talking about John. He, single, male, people are talking about him, so they have to use he. In Tigrigna, we use ንሱ. ኣብዚ ስእሊ እንታይ ዘርእየና እዞም ክልተ ሰባት እዚኦም ብዛዕባ ምስኦም ዘሎ ሰብ ዮሃንስ ይዛረብሎ ዮሃንስ ኣብ ካልእ ክፍሊ ክህሉ ይኽእል ኣብ ካልእ ከተማ ክህሉ ይኽእል ኣብ ካልእ ሃገር ክህሉ ይኽእል የለን ምስኦም ሳልሳይ ኣካል ተሰማይ ብዛዕባ እዮም ዝዛረቡ ዘለዉ ስለዚ ንሱ እዮም ዝብሉ. In a similar way, if that lady these people are talking about, she's not with them. Mary, for example, she is not with them. She is a single female. They are talking about her. So instead of Mary, they can use she. They are ጓልንስተይቲ ሚርያም ተቆይና እዞም ክልተ ሰባት እዚኦም ብዛዕባ ሚርያም ምስኦም ዘየላ እንተዳ ዝዛረብሎ ኮይኖም ንሳ ዝብል ቃል ወይ ከዓ ክንዲ ስም ይጥቀሙ. ካልእ እዞም ክልተ ሰባት እዚኦም ብዛዕባ ብዙሓት ሰባት ኮይኖም ምስኦም ዘየለው እንተዳ ዝዛረብሎ ኮይኖም ኩለን ደቂ ኣንስትዮ ብዛዕባ ኩለን ደቂ ኣንስትዮ እንተዳ ኮይነን ዝዛረብለን ዘለዋ ንሳተን ንብል ኩሎም ተባዕትዮ ወይ ከዓ ሕውስዋስ ተባዕታይን ኣንስታይን እንተዳ ኮይኖም ቶም ዝዝረበሎም ዘለኻ ንሳቶም ንጥቀም. So here we use the word they for these people who are not with these people who are talking about. So these people, if they are male, all of them, in Tigrigna we use ንሳቶም. But if all of them they are females, we use the pronoun which is ንሳተን. So if it's male female, which pronoun should we use? We use ንሳቶም. So I hope you got an understanding of these pronouns. Let me help you write these words. ኣነ ንሕና ንስኻ ንስኺ ንስኹም ንስኽን ንሱ ንሳ ንሳቶም ንሳተን. So ኣነ means I, ንሕና we, you, all of them, you. ንስኻ you, ንስኺ you, ንስኹም you, ንስኽን you. He, she, they, this is they too. ንሱ he, ንሳ she, ንሳቶም they, ንሳተን they. So this is okay. So here, what I mentioned here is ane is first person singular. You're referring to yourself. ንነብስኻ ትውክል ዘለኻ ኣነ ቀዳማይ ኣካል ንጽል ተባዕታይ ይኸውን ኣንስታይ። ስለዚ this is first person singular. It could be male, female. This one is first person. It's a group of people, so it's plural. It could be male, female. It could be all male or all female, or it's a combination of male and female. This one is you. Singular, this is second person. ንጽል ንስኻ singular male ተባዕታይ. ንስኺ second person singular female, one person, right? She is female. ንስኹም, it could be all of them men or whatever, male, or all of them female. I mean, a combination of male and female. You, ንስኹም, second person. ንስኽን is second person plural, all of them female, feminine. ንሱ, this is a group of third person. ሳልሳይ ኣካል ዝበልናዮ ተሰማይ. ንሱ is a singular, third person, singular and male. ንሳ female, third person and singular. ንሳቶም third person plural, or all of them could be males, or a combination of male and female. ንሳቶም, ንሳተን, all of them females, plural, third person. Okay, so if we I want to make sure that you understand this. For example, John is there. So this sentence, John is there. So this is a noun. We want to replace it with a pronoun. John is there. Someone is talking about John being not there, right? John is there ንዝብል John ኣብዚ የለን ዝብል ሙሉእ ሓሳብ እዩ። ስለዚ ሓደ ሰብ ብዛዕባ ጆን ኣብኡ ከምዚ የሎ ይነግር ኣሎ። ጆን ስም እዩ። ስም ክንብል ከለና ስም ናይ ሰብ፣ ስም ናይ ነገራት ክኾን ይኽእል። ዝተፈላለየ ዓይነት ኣስማት ኣሎ ማለት እዩ። ክንዲ ስም ዝበሃል ኣሎ። ዝተፈላለዩ ክንጭቡጠ ዘይንኽእል abstract noun, proper noun, common noun ገለ ኢልና ናይ ሓባር ስም ገለ ኢልና ንገብሮ ኣሎ። ግን ኣብዚ ብዛዕባ ናይ proper noun ወይ ከዓ ስም ናይ ሰብ ንዛረብ ኣለና። ነዚ ኣብ ክንዲ ስም እንተዳ ክንትካ ኮይና, if we have to replace this with a pronoun, what pronoun should we use? Should I use I? Should I use we? Should I use you? Should I use he, she, they? So I should use John is there, third person. Someone is talking about him. ሳልሳይ ኣካል ተሰማይ እዩ john ምሱ የለን ብዛዕባ ግን ይዛረብ ኣሎ። ስለዚ ንሱ ኣብዚ የለን. So we have to use he is there. John is there. He is there. So he is there, right? So ንሱ ኣብዚ የለን. I mean ንሱ ኣብዚ ኣሎ. ኣብቲ ኣሎ. There means ኣብቲ. ኣብዚ is here. ኣብቲ is there. We'll come to this kind of words in the upcoming videos, but ክትመሃሩ ኢና እዚ ከመይ ጌርና ሙሉእ ሓሳብ ንገብር. ግን እታ ተገድሰና ኣብዚ እንታይ እያ? ጆን እንተኢልና እንታይ ዓይነት ክንዲ ስም ንጥቀም? ስለዚ ክንዲ ጆን ንሱ ንጥቀም ማለት እዩ. So instead of John we have to use he. He is there. ንሱ ኣብቲ ኣሎ. ስለዚ ንሱ ኣብዚ የለን ማለት እዩ. Okay? ካልእ if two people are how old are you? I already gave you the pronoun that I have to use, you. So how many people do you think are being asked? So someone is asking, how old are you? So you in this context could mean single person, male, could be John, right? Let's say Mr. X is asking Mr. Y of how old is he. So he ንስኻ. So ዕድሜኻ ክንደዩ? Of course I will teach you, but ንስኻ ክንደዩ ዕድሜኻ? ንስኻ. If that you that we are using here in the context is a female singular person, ንስኺ. ንስኺ ክንደይ እዩ ዕድሜኺ? If it's plural or more people, ንስኻትኩም or ንስኹም ክንደይ እዩ ዕድሜኹም? And if all of them are females, ንስኻትክን or ንስኽን ክንደይ እዩ ዕድሜኽን? Okay? So I think I have to stop the video here. Please go through this material again and again and try to make sense out of it. Thank you.